Hi guys, come with me as a second grade teacher. Morning, morning, morning. Let's open. That's good. Okay, wait. It's open. Let's open. Ooh, good. Good morning. It's day one. Another day, another life, you guys. Yeah, I brought my laptop bag with. As you can see, I have a laptop bag. And I also have my bag with all my essentials, and I have my jersey because just in case I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt right now. I know it's a vest, guys. Let me show you guys. It's a vest, of course. Mixed with it's a long sleeve vest with a white t-shirt over and this that matches the pants, which is basically like a taxi. So yeah, guys, let's all put down our things. Okay. So I'm not going to be working on my computer today. I don't know, but let's just hope for the best. I need to change the date and I need to write new work on the board. But what I'm going to do so long is I'm going to change the date. So the date for today is, let's first take out all my essentials and switch on the lights. So I love my light dark. I already switched it on when I came in the class. But yeah, as you know, my class is now start at 8. And I'm excited because I've never played a class in my life. Like all my classes, they have been in my class, but they have been very naughty. And I had a speak with all of their mothers, and their mothers insisted that I keep them in grade 3. And I kept them in grade 3, which is a very good thing as a teacher because keeping them behind, which is letting them go again to the same grade. Understand? It's called failing. So in our country we call it failing. But yeah, okay. I have the books that I just took out of the closet that we're going to be working in today. It's a stack of books. I have more, but I'm only going to be letting the fellow learners work in it. But yeah, guys, the phone is a little bit flat, so I can't vlog too much today, but I'm just going to do a part 2. So come back for part 2, guys.